Around the world, Amway is fighting childhood malnutrition. We're focused on this issue because each year millions of children die because of it, and those who survive often suffer lasting health effects. Why is Amway involved? Because we are in an ideal position to help. We are nutrition leaders, and we share a passion for helping others. In 2014, Amway launched the Nutrilite Power of 5 campaign to build momentum in the fight against childhood malnutrition. In just 1 year, we've provided Nutrilite Little Bits to thousands of children in 7 countries, and over the next few years, we will expand to at least 8 more countries. How serious are we? In May of 2014, we introduced an awareness program that included a big goal: to set a new Guinness World Record that would demonstrate our global efforts. We asked people everywhere to raise their hand and show their commitment. Throughout 2014, at more than 100 events, we collected handprints. In total, more than 260,000 Amway business owners, employees, and members of the public raised their hands when we asked, and we are thrilled with the results. An artist has created a beautiful collage that uses as many handprints as possible. This unique work of art has been installed at the Nutrilite Center for Optimal Health for everyone to enjoy. And as a happy outcome, Amway has set a new Guinness World Record for the largest handprint collage. Congratulations to everyone who participated. Together, we will now help more children and their families live better lives, today and well into the future. Thank you for raising your hand.